Hi friends, welcome back. I'm making another flower painting with alcoholic background and acrylic flowers. And this is the paper I use, ultra premium photo paper. And I use the back side of the photo paper because I feel that the inks flow more easily on the back side. And to blend the alcohol ink, I use this isopropyl alcohol. So first take the back side of the photo paper and I'm spreading the isopropyl alcohol. Just randomly spread it. This isopropyl alcohol is 91% and you can get it at the pharmacy stores. And then I used the pitch black ink just to spread here and there randomly because it's an abstract background. So just blend this pitch black with the isopropyl alcohol and just blow with this hand blower. And black is a beautiful color because it gives so many different colors when you blend it. So that gives an interesting abstract effect, which you may love it. And I use this mini blower, craft blower, which has mild heat, and I dried the layer with that mini blower. Then I'm using this teal color acrylic paint, and I also use white. So when you mix teal and white, it gives a beautiful texture and nice color to the painting. And when you paint the flowers, you have to dip the top portion in teal color and bottom in white, so you get the nice shade of two different colors when you make this flower painting. And as you can see, it gives a totally abstract effect to the petals and beautiful texture. So you can just randomly paint different flowers in the same technique. Just dip two colors and then just apply the paint in any random shape of a flower. It doesn't need to be exact because every flower is different, so it has to be a different color and different size.